So today I'll be showing you how to invite someone into an Instagram blend. Okay. Now, what you need to do is simply go to that person's conversation. So for instance, if it's this user, I'll just find their profile name, open their profile, and then tap on message to open my DMs with that particular user. And so to request a blend, there should be an icon here. Now that icon is only going to be available if the user on the other side also has blends. Okay. And if they don't, then you simply can't invite them. You can send them a DM and tell them to update their Instagram app so that you're able to send them an invite. So let's find someone else with that option. So I'm going to swipe across, go through my DMs and find another user. So let me try this one. So this particular user has that feature on their Instagram, and that's why you can see the blend icon is there. So what you need to do now is tap on that and then tap on invite. And once that person has accepted my blend or to blend our Instagram reel suggestions, then I'll be able to go to blend and see suggestions for Instagram reels for both myself and this other person. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.